Amateur detective Larry took on his first case. Someone had stolen Mrs. Wiggins' prized blueberry pie. He lined up the suspects and interrogated each with a magnifying glass, despite his terrible eyesight. Suddenly, a sneeze erupted from the back. Harold, the neighbor, was covered in blue dust. Larry gasped, "Aha!" But Harold protested, "I have allergies." Larry grinned, "You're allergic to blueberries, yet your sneeze blew the case wide open. Next time, try apple pie." Turns out, the only thing Harold was guilty of was being a little nosy and a lot sneezy.